Unit 4. Do you play the guitar? Page 23. Exercise 3. Conversation. What kind of music do you like? Part A. Listen and practice.
I can't wait for the Taylor Swift concert this Friday.
I think I know her. Does she play the violin?
No, she's a pop star.
Of course. I guess I don't listen to pop music a lot.
Oh, really? What kind of music do you like?
I really like hip-hop. Drake is my favorite musician.
Doesn't Drake play the guitar?
No, Leanne. He sings and raps.
Okay. Well, I think we need to teach each other about music.
Page 23. Exercise 3. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Who is Seth's favorite band? Does Leanne like them?
What about bands, Seth? Who do you like?
Well, they're not new, but my favorite band of all time is Maroon 5.
Maroon 5? Really?
Why? Don't you like them? They're classic.
No, I don't. I guess they have some good songs, but they're very noisy.
Page 23. Exercise 4. Grammar focus. Simple present questions. Short answers.
Do you like country music?
Yes, I do. I love it.
No, I don't. I don't like it very much. What kind of music do you like?
I really like rap.
Does she play the piano?
Yes, she does. She plays very well.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't play an instrument. What does she play? She plays the guitar. Do they like Imagine Dragons?
Yes, they do. They like them a lot.
No, they don't. They don't like them at all. Who do they like? They like Maroon 5.
Object pronouns.
Me. You. Him. Her. It. Us. Them.
Page 24. Exercise 5. Pronunciation. Intonation in questions. Part A. Listen and practice. Yes/no questions usually have rising intonation. WH questions usually have falling intonation.
Do you like pop music?
What kind of music do you like?
Page 25. Exercise 7. Listening. The perfect date. Part A. Listen to a host and 4 people on a TV game show. 3 men want to invite Alexis on a date. What kinds of things do they like? Complete the chart.
Welcome to The Perfect Date, the show where we help people find their perfect date. Today, we're going to help Alexis. I'm going to introduce her to Jacob in Miami, Tyler in Chicago, and Andrew in Los Angeles. They're all waiting for her right now on video chat. Right, guys?
Right.
So, Alexis, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Then go ahead.
Okay. My first question is about music. Jacob, what kind of music do you like?
Oh, classical music.
Classical. Okay. And how about you, Tyler?
Well, I like jazz.
And you, Andrew?
My favorite music is rock.
How about you, Alexis?
Well, I like pop music. I don't like jazz or classical music very much.
The guys aren't doing very well yet. Try another question, Alexis.
Okay. Next, I'll ask about movies. Jacob, what kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
And how about you, Tyler?
Oh, I like musicals.
And how about you, Andrew?
I love horror movies.
And what about you, Alexis?
I really like horror movies, too.
That's better. We have time for another question. Go ahead.
Okay, Jacob, what kind of TV shows do you like?
Well, I like to watch reality shows.
Tyler?
Well, I really like talk shows.
And Andrew, how about you?
I like game shows a lot.
So, Alexis, what do you like?
Well, I like talk shows and game shows.
Okay, time is up. Now, who's the perfect date for Alexis? Go to perfectdate.cambridge.org to choose or text us at the number on your screen.
Page 25. Exercise 8. Conversation. What time does it start? Part A. Listen and practice.
I have tickets to my brother's concert on Friday night. Would you like to go?
Thanks, I'd love to. What time does it start?
At 8 o'clock.
Do you want to have dinner before? Maybe at 6?
Well, I'd like to, but I have to work late. Let's just meet before the concert, around 7:30.
No problem. We can have dinner another day. Let's meet at your office and go together.
Sounds good. See you on Friday.
Page 25. Exercise 8. Part B. Listen to Connor and Camilla talking at the concert. Does Camilla like the concert? Does Connor's brother play well?
So, do you like the concert?
Well, the Purple Lips are a little noisy, but I like the arcades a lot. Where is your brother? I don't see him.
He's at home.
What? Why?
He's in bed with the flu. See, here's his text.
Oh, that's too bad.
I know. Would you like to go to his concert next month?
Page 26. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Would. Verb plus to plus verb.
Would you like to go out on Friday?
Yes, I would.
Yes, I'd love to. Thanks. Would you like to go to a concert?
I'd like to, but I have to work late.
I'd like to, but I need to save money.
I'd like to, but I want to visit my parents.
Contractions.
I'd equals I would.
Units 3 to 4. Progress check. Page 28. Exercise 1. Listening. Price Cut City. Part A. Listen to a commercial for Price Cut City. Choose the correct prices.
Come in to Price Cut City today. Everything is on sale for one day only. Here are some of our terrific sale prices. First, in the clothing department, we have great sales on both men's and women's jackets. We have leather jackets for only $70. That's right. All our stylish leather jackets are only $70. And wool jackets are on sale for $50. Just $50 for a wool jacket. Amazing! But that's not all. Every style and color of shirt is on sale. Designer silk shirts are now only $40. Again, that's $40 for a silk shirt. And cotton shirts are on sale for just $18. Unbelievable! Finally, in the electronics department, we have a great selection of computers. We have laptops for only $319. And we have desktop computers for $460. A complete computer system for only $460. What a deal! Remember, these prices are for today only. So come in and save at our one-day sale. Get everything you need at Price Cut City.